Hello viewers, welcome to G Studios. I'm Roshni here to share a beautiful tip. So most of the people would like to get weight loss. Even they may try it for an exercise and yoga and all. But for some people, they will not find time to do such an exercise and yoga and all. So today, I gonna tell a tip to that some people. This drink will reduce your weight for permanent in your life. So let me tell you about the making process of this special drink. Take 2 glasses of water in a saucepan and let the water to get boiled. While boiling, just add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder into the water. By adding the cinnamon powder, blood sugar will be in control and even it won't make you to be hungry. Then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the same water. So, lemon contains vitamin C, fibers and minerals. By adding this lemon, your body will get loss in weight and even it reduce your body cholesterol. After well boiled, let the water will get cool and add 1 tablespoon of honey. By adding this honey, your immunity level will get increased. You can drink this mixture as hot drink or cool drink. Instead of drinking this, our body metabolism will start working and automatically body weight will get lost. If you follow this regularly, you will get lost weight in just 10 days. So today, this is our amazing tip to weight loss. And viewers, do try this drink and have your healthy life. So hope you all enjoyed and taking useful from my videos. Remember to like my video and subscribe my channel for future tips. Thank you.